My name is C. Thamotharan, Associate Professor, Department of Automobile Engineering, Bharat Institute of Higher Education and Research. I am going to take vehicle body engineering. The subject code is Bam702 vehicle body engineering. Next, I am going to take Unit 1. Unit 1, car body details. We have types of car. First type, the saloon type. The saloon car is one of the most famous and common body style of the modern car. Saloon car comes with a separate bonnet covering the engine in the front and a separate boot for luggage at the rear. A saloon car has fixed roof that is full height up to the rear window. Next, we pass on to convertibles. This is one type of car. It does not matter who and where you are. It is impossible to not enjoy yourself in a convertible. The following 10 cars are our pickups of the best convertibles and cabriolets for open air. Cars include Mercedes-Benz S-Class cabriolets, McLaren 720S Spider, Ferrari 488 GTP, Mazda MX-5, Lamborghini Huracan Spider, Jaguar F-Type, Ford Mustang, Renault Alpine A110, Porsche 718 Boxster, BMW Z4, etc. These top-down cars literally open up the world to you as you head down the road on some dusty morning. Convertible cars have been winning us with its new styles and performance. You might not have the high deployment for them, but still we love our convertibles. When the sunny days finally arrive, there is never a bad time to drop the top and enjoy some wind in your hair. We all could imitate as carport filters provide convertible top replacement or carport replacement for any cost. Next, we pass on to another type, limousine. Renting a limousine car is something that most people consider it couples of times in their lifetime. Whether it is for a prom, for wedding, or for other formal events, to hire their luxurious cars to avail obvious benefits. Note that there are many limo service companies available in the market, and all are not same, rather different compared to their service and support. Next, another type, estate car. Estate car is similar to a saloon cars, but comes with an extended rear cargo area. The body size transforms a standard 3-box design into a 2-box design. Includes an A, B, and C pillars. And next we pass on to another type, so sports car, or we can say sports school. Sport is a small, usually two-seat with a two-door car designed for performance at high speeds, often having a roof that can be folded back. Sports cars mainly comes handling, steering, braking, and alertness first. The passenger's comfort and convenience second. But now there are many sports cars who comes with comfort and convenience also. Next we pass on to that is body technology, visibility and space. Visibility, a good all-around visibility is one of the main requirements of body design. Visibility depends upon window opening and the relative positions to the occupant. The figures below show high position of driver, angle of visibility, and space between the pillar and the seat. Next one, the field of vision. Area a driver can see while looking straight ahead. We have peripheral vision, central vision, focus vision. Focus vision is a targeting, reading signs. Central vision, viewing path of travel. Peripheral vision, motion and color changes. The driver can see, okay, motion and color changes. We have 90% of driving decisions are based on observations gathered with the eyes. So a driver can see while looking straight ahead. This picture shows a driver can see while looking straight ahead. A driver can see focus vision. Is going to concentrate for focus vision. Is going to focus on central vision. Is going to focus on peripheral vision. Okay. Next, the driver's useful vision areas. Gathering useful vision information. So focus vision area, focal, 3 to 5 degrees of useful information. So targeting skills, establishing visual lead, reading signs and interpreting signals. But actually the driver's useful vision areas. Gathering useful vision information, and we have focus vision area. Already I told you today, right? So focal, 3 to 5 degrees of useful information. He is going to concentrate. Driver can targeting skills. So establishing visual lead, reading signs and interpreting signals. Next one, safety equipment for vehicles. have safety equipments. First one is seat belts. Seat belts is a basic safety tool that is used for the safety purpose of passengers inside the car or vehicle. But actually, that seat belt is prime importance for safety. A seat belt functions to reduce the likelihood of death or serious injury in a traffic collisions by reducing the force of secondary impacts. Seat belts were invented by English engineer George Cayley in the mid-19th century, though Edward J. Lahan of New York was granted the first patent on February 10, 1985 for a safety belt. Next one, mirror. So contemporary mirror settings, BGE mirror settings. This diagram 15 degrees, there left side and right side 15 degrees. So rear view, rear mirror view. Side mirrors are set 15 degrees out. Glare from other vehicles' headlights is reflected away from the driver. All right, we are going to fix side mirrors are set 15 degrees out. So glare from other vehicles' headlights is reflected away from the driver. Airbags. Next, another safety device is airbags. The airbag specified for automobile use traces its origins to hair-filled bladders as early as 1941. Airbag is a safety system that is used in automobile for the purpose to provide the occupants a soft cushioning and restraint during a crash, even to prevent any impact or impact-caused injuries between the failing occupant and the interior of the vehicle. But actually, airbag is a safety system that is used in automobile for the purpose to provide the occupants a soft cushioning and restraint during a crash, even to prevent any impact or impact-caused injuries between the failing occupants and there is an interior of the vehicle. Sorry. The airbag provides an energy-absorbing surface between the vehicle's occupant and the steering wheel. Instrumental panel. And next we pass on to car body construction. In that, we have tail lights. We have cleaning and polishing, fuel filter. In this diagram, there is I marked on that exhaust system, chassis lubrication, suspension system, brake, this for brakes, tire inflation and condition, battery and cables, engine oil filter, automatic transmission plate, coolant, that is antifreeze, engine oil filter, check engine light on, oxygen sensor, hoses, lights. So the windshield washer, bells, spark plugs, engine, power steering plate, wiper blades, check engine light on, cabin air filter. In car body construction, we are going to concentrate all parts to be right mounted. So already I have explained clearly car body part names. And tail lights, and cleaning and polishing. Another one, fuel filter is essential, right? Fuel filter. In exhaust system, how that exhaust gases to be purified. Chassis lubrication. So we have suspension system. Whether you are going to get a much question type or any other. Brakes. So tire inflation and condition. Battery and cables. Engine oil filter. Automatic transmission plate. Coolant, that is coolant, antifreeze, engine oil filter. So check engine light on. We have oxygen sensor. There is I shown hoses. We have lights. So design that in a car, windscreen washer, belts, spark plug, engine mounting, power steering plate, wiper blades, engine, check engine light on, cabin air filter. I explained car body construction with part names. This is a major part. Next, we pass on to panels used for car body construction. We have panels, right? We are going to construct the car body. Panels are used to mount. A quarter panel is a body panel, exterior surface of an automobile between a rear door or only door on each side for two-door models, and the trunk called as boot, otherwise called as boot, and typically wraps around the wheel well. The similar front section between the door and the hood, that is bonnet. People used to say bonnet or wood. To say that, okay, British people used to say wood. is called a fender, but is sometimes incorrectly also referred to as quarter panel. Quarter panels are typically made up of sheet metal, but are sometimes made up of fiberglass or fiber reinforced plastics. Okay, so we have panels. I have explained for quarter panel. Quarter panel is the body panel, exterior surface of an automobile between rear door or only door on each side for two-door models. Let us take two-door saloon type. And the trunk boot, and typically wraps around the wheel bell. The similar front section between the door and the hood bonnet is called a fender, but is sometimes incorrectly also referred to as quarter panel. Quarter panels are typically made up of sheet metal, but are sometimes made up of fiberglass or fiber reinforced plastics. Next, we pass on to car body panels. Metals such as steel, aluminum, and magnesium are mainly used for elements of the body structure and panels. The plastics are applied for exterior attachments to the body. Cars consist mainly of steel and iron. Steel. The most commonly used materials for vehicles are still different types of steel. They offer a wide variety of material characteristics such as thermal, chemical, or mechanical resistance, ease of manufacture, and durability. Next material is aluminum. Aluminum has already established itself in the car industries for many years. Its low density and high specific energy absorption performance and good specific strength are its most important properties. Next, we have plastic. Plastics are important material for the automotive industry. It has a low density, are mostly economic to produce, and their characteristics can be fitted to specific demands. And reinforced plastics can be used to make bumper coverings or exterior attachments to the body structure. Okay, I'm going to finish it off first unit.